Welcome my friend to my YouTube channel, and very thanks to review this video charging to 12 volt fully automatic charger and tester. Yes friend, this video fully charger 12 volt fully automatic charger. Thank you everybody. Very beautiful product and natural, very useful and regularly used car and motorcycle step the easy this product. So this product by now description boxed by linked Amazon product and review alter product video. Please review. Thank you. Very popular, connected the to the easy battery, easy connector. This battery charger auto charging. Yes, fantastic product. You all time the used normally no risk. Yes, this make sure the following of instruct you the result in the manual. Manual to books to follow this product. This is a protection. This protection of cost not risked. This automatic product to self fantastic. How to use to use this 4.3 test in charger. Fantastic product. You everyday used your car and the motorcycle. This product wonderful work, easily used and easy carry. Test permanently connection to your battery. Permanent connection to your battery to fast and use this system. Yes, easily setting this product. This charger, wow. Testing to mode, battery on. Testing to mode, battery on. Understand? Wow, just the focused start power. Yes, start power focused easily, and again alternator. This power fantastic to use. All automatic this product. Wow, charging the active test. Of course, charging active and used. Placed my YouTube channel. Subscribe now, and this product by now description boxed by linked Amazon product. So description boxed by linked Amazon product the buy and the used every day. Wow, alternative mode. Yes, this product highly useful, of course. Test not at the clearly details discussed. Please review this Amazon linked and fully review this product. I just the review shortcut. Better of a start for the mode and focused your LED light red color. Thank you everybody. Please this fully review description boxed by linked Amazon at the go details discussed. Just the review. Try this video and the popular product, very useful product. Green power LED light up. Wow, fantastic. Of course, this product Of course used your car normally mode of normal to 12-volt battery. Test 12-volt battery normally used. Cool weather made into low temperatures, the AGM and start stop batteries. Working cool weather very distinct, and the again recount mode to restore battery health. Wow, fantastic option. So this product entered by now, and everybody my channel subscribed. Thank you. Watch this video, and everybody thank you. This product review. So please subscribe to my channel and by description box to by linked Amazon product. Thank you everybody. Khuda Hafiz.